Hello again, everybody. This is Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2020 Grand Design Solitude fifth wheel 344GK. King size bed up front, large island in the middle, great floor plan. Let's get right to it. Take a look. All right, so starting on the outside of the Solitude, see the nice front cap, LED lights, Moride hitch pin, the shock absorbers, spot up front if you wanted to add a generator, your batteries, your hydraulics, all in one area. Underneath the slide, you'll see LED lights that do light up. On the outside, we did include awning toppers over the slide outs. Frameless windows. One 30-pound LP bottle on each side. Your pass-through storage. Storage compartments have magnetic latches. Nice and thick storage doors. 6-point auto leveling. Your touchpad is right here. You do have the Moride Easy Reel. Reels up that power cord. Your storage with LED lights. It is heated. You can see the heat ducts. Your docking station, everything feeds right through the bottom, so you can feed your water hose, cable, all your connections right through there. You see your pool valves for your gray and black tanks are above the subfloor, so well insulated with a heat duct. Low point drains. And then easy connection, so flip the lever whether you're doing black tank flush, winterizing, doing your dry camping or city water hookup, all in one spot. 110 connection and your cable outlet. And then you have your outside shower hookup. Water filtration and a nice easy access location as well. 50 amp service. We did equip this with 2 air conditioners. There's 2 of those jacks for that auto leveling. We'll see if we can squeeze through these 2 campers here. You do have a receiver on the back, so extra storage, and in some states for towing. Ladder for roof access. Take a look at the roof. You also are prepped for a backup camera. Coming around the door side, with the door side slide out, they give you an awning on the slide out and an additional in the patio area where your entry step is. So 2 full-length awnings. You do have the exhaust for your range hood. Step above, entry step. 4 entry step, very easily folds right up into the camper. So again, one hand on the phone, one on the steps, folds right up into the camper. No exposed frame. Just as easy bringing it down. And one nice thing is those legs are adjustable. So if you're on uneven ground, you can adjust those legs. Just takes the stress off of the camper. Camper will last longer. You can get step covers, cover those steps up so when you fold it in, you don't get all that debris in there that I just dropped in there. So covering them up will prevent that. And what Grand Design does, if you don't do that, you got a spray port on the door side. Hook the spray port to it, spray those off before you bring them in. Friction hinge door, but one thing Lippert does is screenshot, which is slams that screen door for you. So nice addition there. Magnetic latch holds the door. Wide open storage up front. Your battery disconnect. Your central vac bag is located outside. We saw the bag that holds all your fittings and connections, but that's where you would empty out your central vac. Motion sensor lighting, and then your other 30-pound LP bottle. We can go inside the 344GK. All right, entering into the 344GK, you'll see this rear kitchen, workstation area, table and chairs, the darker of their two interiors, tri-fold sleeper sofa, side hallway to that bedroom. We'll go ahead and start here in the back. This workstation, can move one of the chairs over to the workstation or bring your own chair in. Nice little setup. You can put your laptop, computer, or just out of the way. Have a coffee looking out that back window. Right here beside it, your table and chairs. Two of those chairs do fold up, and you can store those out of the way, under the bed. The other two chairs do have storage up underneath. Placemats, anything like that you can store in there. The table's strapped down. Table does have an extension. No leg in the middle, so it's easy to get in and out. Got long legs. One thing you do notice, Grand Design did away with the carpet. So all linoleum. No linoleum flap here. Nice and easy to keep clean. Theater seating. They do have these removable tables that make it convenient. You want to sit and have a drink. You got cup holders, but then you've got the little table extra. The chairs are heat massage LED lights. Nice little storage area. Notice on the side you've got roller shades. Your tri-fold sleeper sofa does open up into a bed. We'll take a look at that. Setup and breakdown of that tri-fold sleeper sofa. You got plenty of storage up overhead. Nice accented glass fronts. LED lights down below and receptacles. Your TV does lower down into the cabinet. Just touch of a button, the motor lowers it down. Large fireplace does put out electric heat. Got a nice little storage area here. Put the remotes. Your Bluetooth, AM, FM, CD, DVD player. You got built-in speakers inside and out. Nice storage throughout. Tons of countertop space. You see the little accent LED lights. Large oven. 3-burner range. They added this little shade in the kitchen, which really opens up the natural light in this area. Spot for your trash cans. convection microwave. The island flush mount, hard covers. Again, more storage. Nice little pet drawer underneath the oven. Deep drawers, solid, well made. Spray head on the sink faucet. Nice lighting. Exhaust vent in the kitchen. 4-door gas electric refrigerator. 18 cubic foot, plenty of room. You do have a good sized pantry. Little spot for your broom or Swiffer. Full length drawers. So plenty of storage. You got lights, USB charging plugs throughout. Nice light linoleum floor you saw. Your side hallway. Down low you've got that quick sweep and the connection for your central vac. Spot for your shoes down low. As soon as you walk in the door, your convenience area. Control your slides, your awning, tank heaters. Check the levels of your tanks. Nice assist handle going up the hallway. Nice little tub shower. Good because you step down and I can still stand up in the shower. I'm not even above the bar in the shower. So nice setup there. Adjustable shower head. Plenty of room around the toilet. Hang your towels up. And then you still get a little linen closet. Good size sink, more storage and vanity. Another exhaust fan in the bathroom. We mentioned earlier, king size bed. Plenty of room to walk around either side. And you do have receptacles, USB charging. Your second AC is ducted. Under this bed, plenty of storage with those shocks that hold it up. Another little storage area. You can sit, put your socks and shoes on. Large closet. Plenty of storage there, up overhead as well. Another hanging storage area with receptacles, and you are prepped for washer dryer. So you can remove those shelves. And because you got the big closet up front, you don't lose a whole lot. TV in the master bedroom. Again, another storage area underneath the top of the dresser. So great floor plan, plenty of storage, nice island. And again, you can go light or dark with the decor. Brand new 2020 Grand Design Solitude 344GK. I just wanted to take a minute to thank you guys for watching the video. I hope I answered all your questions. If not, please list them down below in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And if there's a floor plan that you have not yet seen, I'll do my best to put it on. Just let me know what it is. Thanks again for watching. And if you've not already, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit that bell because I've been putting videos on pretty consistently 3-4 times a week. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again. Scott Hudgens, Dodd RV.